Hey guys, and welcome to Doing Things Dan's Way. Hey, got a real flash video here for you. This is the fast-forwarded version of how to replace the speakers, the rear speakers on a 2017 Highlander XLT. Now, if you want to see a full video with all the details, just click up here and that will be the full version of this, which is a half an hour long. This is the fast-forwarded version for those of you who kind of have an idea already how to do it. This will just zip through and show all the steps, and you can kind of pause and take a look. But let's get started. Again, this is Doing Things Dan's Way, and if you like this kind of video, of course, like and subscribe. And there you have it. In fast forward, that's the short version. If you want the longer version at the end of this video, you can click up here to get a longer version. And if you're interested in seeing how I added door sound deadening panels to it with butyl tape, click down here. Click right here to subscribe. Remember, by subscribing, you're going to see all the other videos in this Highlander Life series that I'm working on. I have a lot of other mods to do to this thing, and I've already got a few done. So that's a wrap for this edition of Doing Things Dan's Way and the Highlander Life. Until next time, be blessed.